Most people think Task Manager is just for closing frozen apps, but it's so much more. Today I will show you 10 hidden Task Manager tricks to make you a Windows power user. So the fastest way to open Task Manager, you could right-click the taskbar, but the fastest way is pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key. It opens instantly without any extra clicks. If your PC starts slowly, too many startup programs might be to blame. Click Startup Apps on the left to see what's loading at boot, and disable the ones you don't need. Quickly open any program's folder. In Task Manager's Processes tab, right-click it and choose Open File Location. File Explorer will take you straight to its folder. Restart your taskbar without reboot. If your taskbar, Start menu, or File Explorer freezes, you can restart them without rebooting your computer. Find Windows Explorer in the Processes tab. Right-click it and hit Restart. Force or kill stubborn program. Sometimes End Task doesn't work. In that case, go to Details, right-click the app and choose End Process Tree. This closes the program and all its link processes. Give more power to a sluggish app. If an app is running slowly, you can give it more CPU power. In Details, right-click the app, go to Set Priority and choose Above Normal or High. Don't use real time unless you know what you are doing. Track apps using your network. Want to see which apps are using your internet? In the Performance tab, click Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Then open Resource Monitor for a detailed breakdown. Change Task Manager's theme and layout. Under Settings, you can change Task Manager's theme, default start page, and even make it always stay on top. Bonus: Live Kernel Dumps. For advanced troubleshooting, Task Manager lets you create a live kernel dump in Settings, Advanced. This takes a snapshot of system memory without restarting your PC. If you don't know what a dump file is, it's usually used when your kernel or your operating system freezes and doesn't work, and it's mostly used for advanced troubleshooting, and it's mostly used by IT managers and high-tech people. Now you know Task Manager is more than just an emergency tool. It's a secret control center. Which trick was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.